Hi students, and welcome to week 4 in your online lifespan growth and development course. This week we will be covering chapter 4, which is the social and emotional development in infancy. Last week with chapter 3, we looked at the physical and cognitive development, but this week we'll take a look at the social and emotional development. So let's take a look at your module for the week. Of course, here is your PowerPoint slides. Your assignments for the week are a journal number 2, and I'll come back and say a few words on this in a minute. And then you have these 3 Connect assignments as well as your chapter 4 quiz. So this week you will have a concept clip on attachment. You'll have a classification assignment on Bowlby's phases of attachment. So again, attachment's going to be a big key factor here this week as you learn about social emotional development in infancy. And then a video assignment on quality child care indicators. And then your chapter 4 post-test. So I think right now everybody is in Connect. Everything is working appropriately for you. Please remember to navigate through the module to make sure you're doing those Connect assignments that I'm actually assigning. And then taking a look here at journal number 2. So very much the same directions as you did on journal number 1, which you did a really good job of. Yes, they are multi-part questions, and so I'm looking about 250 words or a full page double-spaced typed for all the questions combined in this journal number 2. So for answering all these questions here about your own early childhood, at a minimum should be about 250 words. Of course, you can always write as much as you want to. I'll never put a maximum on you, but I know as a guideline you like the minimum here. So you're reflecting back on your early childhood years. What's your earliest memory? How do you feel about it? What does it leave you with when you recollect your earliest memory? Did you have any significant events? Of course you did. What were they that you experienced in your early childhood? And this last question, it feels like a loaded question. What would you change about your early childhood years and why? So reflect on that because next week we will be moving on. I always have you journal a little bit early about the topic that is coming up. So of course, this week we're still in infancy, but this journal is to get you thinking about your own early childhood experiences as that's where we're about to head next. And then of course, here is your grading rubric for the journal. So as I go back into this week's module, you'll come into modules, just a little navigation reminder, click on modules, and then scroll down to chapter 4, the week we are in here. Everything you need for the week, the journal prompt, your 3 Connect assignments, and a link to your chapter 4 post-test or quiz are all right here in this week's module. So I hope you enjoy learning about this social emotional development in infancy. I hope that you're recovering from last week from the winter weather and all the ice, and hopefully you are enjoying the start of February here. All of these assignments will be due on Sunday, February 12th. And after this week, after Sunday, February 12th, we have completed a quarter of the class already. Isn't that crazy of how fast it's moving? So as always, please reach out to me if you have any questions about this week's assignment. You are doing a great job. Keep up the great work and have an awesome week, everybody.